Here comes Biscuit. Still light, look at that. You're nice and early tonight, my darling. Come on then. How's your day been, alright? Yeah? How's your day? Alright? Nice fresh bread bought today. Yes. How are you, alright? Oh look, shall I just drop that on the floor, silly me? You're very early, aren't you? Yeah? You're an early girl. Oh yes. How are we doing for strokes now? Do you like a stroke? Oh, there we go. Good girl. There. Is that lovely? Is that lovely? There we are. I thought he was going to turn your nose up at that then. Where you going? Where you going? Biscuit. It's okay. It's okay. Here you go. Biscuit. Yeah, Biscuit. Come on, my babes. Come on. Here we go. Some nice lamb for you. You've been helping Chip Chip look after them babies, have you? Yeah? Are you helping her? I hope you are. That's what you foxes do, don't you? You all muddle in together. Nice. I haven't even had my shower yet. You're that early? Oh yes you are. Early. Oh, I didn't bring the other chicken out. Silly me. You might have to come back for your raw chicken. Is that okay? You're enjoying that, aren't you? Oh yes. Right. I think she's had enough there. Right, come back and see me soon, yeah? Come and see me soon. I know she's going to go and bury that piece there. Right, I'm going to nip back in and get some raw chicken for her. So if she wants it, if she's still there, I shall give it to her when I come back out. So bye for the moment.